Hi, my name is Jorge Macias, and today I'm going to be showing how I created this clay table and the things I took into consideration while building it. For context, the idea of building this table was to help a staffing and recruiting agency that helps companies fill software engineering positions in New York. So the first thing that we did is we looked for a scraper that helped find LinkedIn jobs that had the software engineering title and that were based out of New York and for full-time positions. So we ran that scraper. We integrated that to Clay and used the native integration to transfer that data from API to Clay. So then we removed the duplicated jobs. We removed the duplicated companies because a company can have multiple jobs. And for this exercise, we're only going to use one job per company. And then I decided to divide all the tables and to keep the information separate. So I have a job table, that's this one. I have a company table, and I have a people table. So for the company table, I got the data from the scrape and passed that information here. So using that information, meaning the LinkedIn URL, the company ID, and the company name, I used AI to validate it was a recruiting agency. If I don't want to reach out or waste credits if they're a staffing company like us. So I used AI to filter out all the recruiting agencies. I enriched the companies, filtering out all the were recruiting, and then I also didn't want to reach out to companies that were above 1,000 employees. So I used a few of the filters here to get that out. And depending how big the company was, I wanted to reach out to the executive team, if not the VPs and the directors. So I think it was like 400 employees or more. I want to reach out to the directors. So here are a few filters to get that out of the way. I then looked for people. Let me just hide here. I looked for people in those companies, and I got to work. So after finding the people in those companies that were already filtered out, I connected to the jobs table to get all the information together and write the email. So the email goes something like this. It's like, hey, first name. I saw that you're looking for this job title. I also saw that you have this stack, and you're looking for this many years of experience. I have a candidate that has similar experience and has a similar experience in this other industry, lives nearby in this other city that's close to where your headquarters are at, and then I also used AI to kind of look at the key responsibilities in the job description and kind of like funnel that into the email. Here are just a few examples of things that I wrote. Like the output email says, "Hey, first name, saw this job opening. I saw your tech stack, and I am grabbing coffee with a potential fit. They have this many years of experience in this similar industry. These are some of the key responsibilities for the role, and they don't require a sponsorship." This is just to tease them into an email and then funneling all that information into this Google spreadsheet. Then I can use as input at Smartlead or Lentless or any other sequencing tool, Hotspot or whatever, to send those emails. So this is just one example. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know.